Flint.
Dad.
What's happening, son? You look terrible. What's with all of them?
They saved my life. I let Chester steal the machine, and now he's starting Operation Slice and Dice.
Come on, son, you're really not making any sense.
Look, Chester's gonna wipe out all the foodimals. My friends tried to tell me they were good, but I didn't listen. Everything I touch just gets ruined. Barry? Barry. I'm so sorry I misjudged you. I should have listened to Sam. What is it, Barry? Wait, what are you trying to say?
Saspa. Sassy pants.
Dad? Sam in the gang? Oh, it looks like a sentinel of safety.
Ah, Sassy pants.
Sassy pants? No, Dad. He's saying sentinels captured Sam in the gang.
Never.
And they're being held in the factory?
We gotta get him out of there.
But how? There's just two of us.
What's with all that whoosh? Why do they have my TV?
Water goes in the top, and food comes out the bottom.
What's it, broken or something? What's it doing?
You take it. It's saying that I'm in woo.
Flint, they came here to help. We all did. It's time to let us.
Okay, I don't know if you can understand me. I know you think I'm in woo. But the truth is, I'm no in woo. I'm just a man. A man who's made a lot of mistakes in the last couple of days. And now my friends are in a lot of trouble thanks to me. Someone once told me that I didn't need friends, that I could accomplish more by myself. I know now more than ever that he was wrong. We need all the friends we can get, and I need your help. All of you. Fruits, vegetables, and meat. I need you to help me to get into that factory, save our friends, and get our home back. Okay, now I just gotta figure out how to get in there.
With the right rod and tackle, I could cast you up into that unfinished part of the factory. Should be a piece of cake.
Dad, let's go fishing.